Have you ever wondered what it takes to truly embody the best version of yourself while staying rooted in your faith and pursuing your dream life? Imagine a life where you feel confident, connected to Allah, and at peace with your journey. Let's reset for 2025 and use 7 powerful habits to help us become the best version of ourselves with actionable steps to keep us focused. Trust Allah and focus on the present. This is the foundation of everything. Life can be overwhelming, but remember that Allah is Al-Wakil, the disposer of all our affairs. Truly trusting Him allows us to find peace in the present moment rather than being consumed by the worries about the future. Begin each day by making dua and reflecting on the blessings you already have. It is easy to get caught up in where we want to be and forget about what we already have and all the small wins we are accomplishing at the moment. Wrap up the current year with gratitude for everything you can remember about this life that Allah has blessed you with, and sincerely thank Him for it. Mindfulness is powerful. It keeps you grounded and aware of Allah's mercy. Actionable step. Start a daily gratitude practice. Reflect on 3 blessings every day and make dua for guidance and peace. Good morning, my girls. So I'm all ready for the day. I am actually heading out to go run some errands. I'm going to the library and then I want to go Morrison's and Home Bargains. In Home Bargains, I actually want to get my board to create my vision board, inshallah. And I want to go to the library to make my final book returns for the year as well. So I'm going to take your girls along. Know what you truly want and take it slowly. Take time to reflect on what you truly want in life. It is easy to get caught up in societal expectation or comparing yourself to another person. Pause and ask yourself, what does success look like to me? What aligns with my values? Remember, taking it slowly doesn't mean procrastinating. It means giving yourself grace and focusing on sturdy, meaningful progress and celebrating small wins. Actionable step. Dedicate 30 minutes every week to write and visualize your goal. Break them into daily habits and achievable steps that aligns with where you're heading.
Girls, I'm just in the library. I came to return some books and I saw this book, A Treasury of Rumi, and I kind of like it and I want to take it as well, but I don't want to become a book hoarder. I have like 3 books at home that I'm actually trying to finish, so I guess I'm just going to force myself to leave it, honestly, because that's all for this year. That's literally all for this year.
Embody the person you want to become. Habits shape who we are. If you want to be more patient, organized, or empathetic, start by incorporating small actions that reflect those traits in your daily life. It's not about perfection. Each day is an opportunity to embody your ideal self. If you slip, reflect and reset with renewed intentions. Actionable step. Choose 1 new habit to work on for 40 days. Pair it with an existing routine to make it stick. Embrace down days without letting them control your life. We all have those days where nothing feels right. Acknowledge your emotions, but don't let them define you. Down days are part of life. Even our iman fluctuate. Use these moments as a chance to reconnect with Allah. Take time for self-care and remember, tomorrow is a new day for a fresh start. Your down days does not define your entire life. They only make you human and serve as a reminder that this world is a trial ground and nothing is perfect. Accept how you feel and take time to heal and move forward with hope. Actionable step. Have a list of go-to self-care activities for when you feel low. Example, like taking a walk, call a friend, or listen to your favorite surah while organizing a part of your space. Make your relationship with Allah a priority. Our relationship with Allah should be the core of our lives. Strengthen it through consistent salah, reading and reflecting on the Quran, and engaging in dhikr. Making Allah a priority doesn't mean neglecting other responsibilities. It means finding balance and grounding your actions in faith. Actionable step. Schedule 10 to 15 minutes daily for Quran recitation and reflection. Assalamu alaikum, my girls. And just like that, 2024 is coming to an end. I can't believe I'm saying that out loud. SubhanAllah. Time has actually flied so much. But alhamdulillah, last night I was just doing like a whole lot of reflection about this year and the things that have happened, mostly I would say just feeling grateful about everything and just really mindfully thinking about how I've spent my time and all the things and the blessings that I'm grateful for during this year. And trust me, I felt so good. I felt really, really great about everything. And I highly do recommend you to do the same if you haven't. I think this video is going to be coming out the last Sunday of 2024. I think I'm just in the 2025 mood at the moment. But yeah, I feel like it's a very good thing for us to just sit down and reflect on each year and see what we can improve on, and also see the things that we're grateful for and really, really, really thank Allah for it. Journaling is something that I really, really prioritize this year, especially like gratitude journaling, because it just makes you feel so good every single day. And I don't feel like there is any reason for anyone not to do it. This journal specifically, just like a journal that I kind of like really get into thinking about myself, the things that I hold on to, the fears, the limiting beliefs. Like, I just think a lot, and I actually really bring down my thoughts when it comes to things like that, when it comes to improving myself into this journal. And this is the journal that also actually wrote everything that I felt and all the blessings that I have during this year. And I want to read some of the entries that I had yesterday, in case like any of you girls want to have like a time with yourself and just sit down and think and journal. This is just going to give you an inspiration. It's not going to be the part where I wrote things that are very, very personal. I would say it's mostly like a generic thought that I had, and I'm just gonna read it. Okay, 2024. This year has been wonderful. Out of all the years of my life, this is the year that brought so much clarity in who I am and what I stand for. It brought out so much hidden fears, limiting belief, negative mindset. This year has helped me heal a lot of traumas, fears, and helped me embrace who I am as a person. This year has helped me align myself to the woman I want to become, the vision of myself I have always had in my head. I have healed and learned to love myself in various ways, accept my journey, heal my inner child, and striving every single day to become the woman she has envisioned me to be. Listening to my intuition and chasing my dreams. Tried things that I've always wanted to do, the things I love, and enjoy my time. I am beyond grateful for 2024. I honestly achieved more than I could ever imagine. The mindset shift is unreal. I feel accomplished. My faith and the trust that I have in Allah has grown so strong. I am truly grateful that Allah has allowed me learn, flourish, and still growing, and don't even want to stop. He has taught me to aim high, as I can see in my vision. Allah has blessed me beyond my imagination. Allah has been so kind to me. Allah has always taken care of me. Allah has helped me see clearly and helped me focus on the things that matters. I truly cannot say Alhamdulillah enough for the peace of mind, the clarity, and the vision in my head. Allah has guided me to everything I need to hear, see, and read in order to become a better version of myself. And I cannot wait to see what 2025 brings. There you have it. This is just like some of the things that I wrote. And I don't want to read anything like personal or like the personal things that I'm grateful for. But if you're trying to learn how to start feeling grateful, this is just like a way for you to sit down with just a pen and a paper and just write down while thinking about all the blessings that you have in your life. I truly hope this helped anyways, but honestly, I feel so grateful for this year, Alhamdulillah. Even though it went so fast, I still feel like, Alhamdulillah, in 1 year, I have accomplished a lot of things, and I know that where I am at the moment is where Allah wants me to be, and I fully accept that. Gratitude is a very, very important aspect of Islam, so be grateful for what you have, what you're currently doing, and where you are in life. I went out today to get like a board because I want to create my vision board, like a physical vision board. I actually did that last year, but I only created like my physical vision board during Dhul Hijjah, which is around June. This time around, I want to create it before the start of 2025, inshallah. Yeah, it's gonna be like a very, very fun project, honestly. I'm so looking forward for it. Like just lighting a candle and sitting down with a hot green tea or something to drink and just like really dive into daydreaming and just visualizing the person that I want to become during this year. It's just something that I look forward to. Vision boards are very, very good when it comes to actually trying to live mindfully. It doesn't have to be a vision board like sticking images and all that on a board. It can be just writing down your intentions for how you want to be spending your time during the next year. That will just give you clarity and a map of who you want to become and the habits that you need to be implementing in order to become that woman. I'm going to share with you just like one goal that I have, inshallah, for this year. I want to start learning Arabic. I want to really take it seriously. I want to learn Arabic to the point where I can like have a normal conversation, like just a simple conversation with another person in Arabic. That is going to be so good if I achieve that, honestly. So I'm trying to put things in place in order to see that happens, inshallah. But yeah, always have a goal. Always have a goal so you feel like you are mindfully spending the time that you have on this earth. Allah has given us a brain to actually think. And writing is something that is very, very huge in Islam. We need to start thinking and writing. Like literally, it is very, very good. You will be surprised of how much information and how much resources Allah has already granted you that is just sitting there and not getting used. So if you get what I mean, try to sit down and write down your thoughts so you can bring out so many things in yourself that you never imagined before. For me, I do vision board because I want to have clarity. I want to have that. I'm a visual person. I'm a very, very visual person. And subhanAllah, may Allah bless my friend. She is the one that always sit down and listen to my daydreams and just the imaginations that I have on my head. Without saying anything, actually, she can listen to me the whole day talking to her about my imaginations, which is so crazy. I truly love her. But anyways, I love visual. I like to see things in visual. So if you like me as well and you feel like creating a vision board is going to help you think and it's going to help you like really visualize yourself and see if that kind of lifestyle that you're trying to pursue really aligns with you, then I highly recommend you doing a vision board. It doesn't have to be like a ton of goals. It can be things like the knowledge that you want to seek, the mindset shift that you want to have, maybe start dressing modestly, or like just like how much Quran you want to read. You can still have it as a vision board as well. It can be literally anything you want. It doesn't have to be like material things. Let's say if you want to start eating healthy and you want to start prioritizing like working out, going for walks and all that, you can have a vision board that has all those images on there. So it's kind of like a guide. It helps you and you see it every day to take action, if you get what I mean. And the vision board don't have to be like a board like I just mentioned. It can be on your wallpaper. It can be written down in your book, or it can even be in your notepad. Anyone that feels more better for you, like just do it. There's no right or wrong. Some quotes that I want to share with you girls to take into 2025 is that I have them actually on my phone. A lot can change in 1 year. Honestly, like a lot can change. You might even want something and you realize that you don't want that thing anymore. Or you can have like some beliefs and then you feel like those beliefs don't really align with you anymore. Like there is a lot of things that can change. Your life can literally flip in 1 year, and you just need to believe in that. You need to trust in that, and you need to trust Allah, basically. And another quote that I have here is, your Lord will give you until you're satisfied. Allah is always there to give us. Allah is very, very generous. Every single thing that we want in this world and also in Jannah, Allah is going to give it to us, literally. So just bear that in mind. When you ask Allah for something, if He doesn't give you exactly what you ask Him, He is going to give you something much more better, and He knows you better. So you should know that definitely He will give you beyond your expectations. Another quote that I want to share with you girls is, don't believe everything you think. We have a lot of thoughts throughout the day. It's just unrealistic for us to believe every negative chatter that comes to our head. No, not every thought you have is true. Not everything that you think is actually real, and not everything you think is actually going to happen, if you get what I mean. Don't believe every single thing you think about. Honestly, lean towards more positive thoughts. And every time a negative thought comes to your head and you feel like it's actually trying to ruin your day or ruin your mood, try to sit down with yourself and change those thoughts to a positive one. And the last quote is actually a Quran verse. It's My success is only by Allah. Anything you do in this life, no matter how much effort you put into it, the success of it in this life as well, in the next life, basically, is only by Allah. Allah is the one that grants us the success. None of our effort is going to get us the things that we want in this world, and none of our efforts as well is going to get us into Jannah. So our success in this world and in the next life is only by Allah. And I feel like this Quran verse also help you with tawakkul. We tend to say, oh, have faith, have tawakkul, everything is going to work out. Well, for me, sometimes I say have tawakkul, have faith and all that. But then when a test hits, I actually it's just, I don't even want to talk about it. I tend to fall short on that, and subhanAllah, I feel like the last couple of months of this year I have tried to work on that. This is something that's going to be like a work in progress all throughout our life. But yeah, tawakkul is something that we should definitely have in Allah with everything that we're trying to work on, strive on, do. Whatever it is, it's not going to happen in our timing. There is like a high chance that it even wouldn't, and that is absolutely okay. We don't know when things are best for us. We don't even know if the things are even best for us. Actually, we're just doing it because we feel like that is what we want. But trust Allah that everything is going to unfold in the best of timing. Having a vision board, having the intentions, and having everything is just a guide for you to know where you're going, know where you're heading in life, and knowing what you want. But it's not 100% everything have to unfold at a certain time. Like these things that I want, these things that I really dream of, work towards, it has to work out now or never. It doesn't work that way. Allah's timing is the best, and He is going to give you everything that you want at the best of time when He knows that you're actually ready for it. And no matter how much you try to force things to happen, they are not going to happen if Allah haven't willed it. This past couple of months, alhamdulillah, I have really learned that lesson, honestly. And alhamdulillah, I will say this is something that you should definitely try to consider during this year. Don't push yourself too hard. Don't push yourself to a limit where you feel like you're doing too much. Basically, try to slow down and trust Allah's timing for everything. Everything is already written down for you. Trust that your du'as are already answered. All you need to do is embody the woman that has had du'as answered, basically, and inshallah, you would be fine. That is all you have control over, and literally trust the timing of Allah. It's not worth it mentally for you to have a time deadline on things that you want in life because you don't know when those things are best for you. Leave them to Allah because you cannot control that. I hope this helped. Actually, I didn't script this part of this video. I was just thinking to just sit down and have a chat with you girls without actually really thinking too much about it, and these are just the thoughts that are flowing through my head. But inshallah, I will show you girls some clips of me making my vision board laterwards, inshallah. Prioritize mental health. Mental health is essential for a fulfilling life. Set boundaries, practice self-care, and seek professional help when needed. Remember, a strong mind helps you maintain a strong connection with Allah. Learn to do things that genuinely bring you happiness, no matter what it looks like to you. Take care of your body and mind so your mental health can thank you. Actionable step. Schedule regular check-in with yourself. Journal about your feelings and reach out for support when needed. Never lose hope in the mercy of Allah. No matter how far you have strayed or the mistakes you have made, Allah's mercy is infinite. Every day is an opportunity to seek His forgiveness and strive to be better. Trust in His mercy and keep moving forward. Whatever your goal is, Allah is the one to make it happen for you. Write it down, create your vision board, and use all the steps in this video to stay focused and feminine in chasing your dream life. Dive into all the efforts to get where you want to be. Let go of the outcome, and remember, my success is only by Allah. Actionable step. Reflect on this verse. My mercy encompasses all things. Back here again because I want this to have an outro. So all that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope all of you girlies and me as well have a beautiful 2025 and a happy one. May Allah turn all of your visions into reality, and may Allah help you and guide you through. Remember that everything is going to manifest in Allah's timing, and inshallah I will see you in my next one. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.